with me, with me.
So for this first project, I just found this cute little old tribal necklace, and then I had to cut it to get the beads and also the non-stretchable string. So for this project, we're gonna be needing this little lock, pair of scissors, and some beads that you can find at your home. So to start off this project, you're gonna have to make a knot at the end of the string, like so. Now what you're gonna do is put the string in your lock and kind of start putting the beads with your designated or desired pattern or design. And please don't mind my crusty hands because it has been reacting to the sanitizers and the alcohols that I've been putting on it due to the spreading pandemic disease, coronavirus. Now, you're just gonna have to continue the pattern that you're going for and continue until it is the right length for the diameter of your wrists. Now that we have reached the right length to fit my hand, we're gonna need to put the other end of the lock and then just tie a knot on it. Now you just have to cut the excess string and then you're done. As easy as that, you now have your very own DIY bracelet. For this second project, we're gonna need an old bracelet with a stretchable string and then just get that. Or if you have any available stretchable strings, you can use that. Now for this, I'm just gonna tie this stretchable string to a piece of stick to kind of secure the beads and not fall off. Now for this one, I kind of decided to make it look more minimalist and just use one type of bead. Now for this minimalist type of bracelet, I just used the remaining little black beads from the tribal necklace that I just cut off. I noticed that the little black beads is not going to be enough to fill in the diameter of my hands. So I think this project is going to be a good one if it's filled in with a lot of beads. But then it's not enough. But it still turned out really, really good. If you have a lot of beads that will be enough to fill in the circle of your hand, then just continue until it is the right length to fit your hands. For this third project, you're just gonna need a cord, but then I don't have one, so I just got this old shoelace and just use it to, to make a bracelet. For this project, you're gonna need something to hook the cord onto, so I just got this banana stand and then this dumbbell to kind of put weight on it. So to start off, grab the two ends of your cord and then just hold all the way to the end, and then it will make you a loop, and then just measure that loop to the diameter of your hands and then hold the point and then just kind of tie it onto the banana stand or anything that you can tie your cord onto. For the next step, you're gonna need another string and just tie it onto the loop and on anything that is heavy in front of you, and then just kind of pull the string tightly to put pressure on it. For the third step, just grab both loose ends of your cord and we're gonna make a square knot. To make a square knot, you're gonna have to get the right string and then put it over under the left side and then pull through the left side. So for the other, you have to do the right side over, under, and then through. And then on the other side, grab the left strand, over, under, and then through. You're just gonna have to continue it until the end of your cord. I just realized that the two strands of cord is not gonna be enough to reach the very end of the loop, so I'm just gonna end the square knots here and then just untie jute twines. What we are gonna do now is put the loose ends inside the square knot to kind of give it more of a better finished look and to look more professional. As I've said, the cord will not be able to fit my hand because it's too short. That is why I put this party ball to kind of get in the modern trend and kind of give it more finished look. So I think it looks kind of cute. I kind of like the unfinished look because it kind of gives it more of a character and it turns out to be more organic and fresh. Finish up everything, I summed out all the costs that I've spent on all 3 projects. So here they are. Finally, I tried on every bracelets that I DIY to kind of give you a better view on what's going on in these bracelets.